In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Viggle AI to create animation videos in 2026. This tool lets you turn images or characters into moving animations using AI motion control, perfect for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and creative content. First, open Viggle AI and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on Create or Animate to start a new project. Next, upload your character image or choose from the built-in templates. Make sure your image has a clear subject so the AI can detect body structure properly. After that, select a motion template or upload a reference video. This is the movement your character will follow, such as dancing, walking, or acting motions. Now click Generate. The AI will process your image and apply realistic motion, turning a still picture into a full animation. Once the video is ready, preview it and make adjustments if needed, such as changing speed, style, or motion strength. Finally, download your animation and use it for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or any creative project. That's how you use Viggle AI for animation videos in 2026. Quick, simple, and powerful for AI creators.